Private knowledge does not always mean fine-tuning. This compares RAG and PEFT LoRA so you can choose the right path before building the wrong system. You'll learn the shape of a workflow that chooses the right knowledge path and returns the reason and checks. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. When a product needs private facts to answer users, engineers often jump straight to fine-tuning. It feels durable and neat. The problem is it costs time, GPU, and it can overfit small internal docs. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, fixes many private fact gaps by fetching the right text and feeding it to the model. LoRA and other PEFT tools let you cheaply tweak model behavior when the issue is tone, format, or repeated behavior rather than missing facts. In practice, you want two outcomes: answers that are citable and faithful when facts matter, and consistent tone or format when behavior matters. If someone needs an up-to-date policy paragraph, a quick retrieval plus a concise prompt often wins and keeps latency low. If an enterprise needs a consistent voice across thousands of replies, a small adapter can be far cheaper than full fine-tuning. This video shows how to make that choice explicit and testable in Python. The core picture is straightforward. RAG finds evidence and hands it to the model. PEFT, LoRA in particular, changes model behavior by adding tiny trainable layers. RAG gives traceable citations and usually fixes missing facts. PEFT gives compact, cheaper behavioral changes that persist across queries. The trick is to pick the signal that matches the actual problem. We'll build a tiny decision gate. It will fetch potential private text, score whether retrieval found evidence, and then compare that against whether the problem really needs model adaptation. The final output is a recommended plan plus the reasons why. Quick note: this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. We start with the smallest decision point that tells us whether private text exists for a query and which route to try first. This snippet creates the smallest decision point for private knowledge. Engineers often reach for fine-tuning because the model does not know an internal policy. But a missing fact is usually a retrieval problem first. The tiny docs dictionary is the private source. Query is what the user asks, and needs fresh fact keeps the decision explicit instead of hidden in a prompt. The route variable chooses RAG because the answer should come from current private text, not from changed model behavior. The visible output shows the first route and document count, which anchors the rest of the comparison. Next, we need to see what evidence RAG would actually provide. So we implement a simple retrieval step to inspect the top hit. This code retrieves the most relevant private note for query using a simple overlap score. If retrieval picks the wrong document, no amount of prompt polish will make the answer reliable. So hit and context are first-class debugging values. The code tokenizes query and each value in docs, builds scores, and selects the highest scoring key with max. This overlap scorer is a teaching stand-in for a vector index, but it represents the same production habit. Inspect what evidence reached the model. The visible output shows which context won and why that retrieval step matters. Now we must decide whether the issue is missing facts or model behavior. So we summarize traces and score each case to compare routes. This example scores whether the app needs evidence lookup or behavior adaptation. RAG helps when a trace has a fact to cite, while PEFT is a better candidate when the recurring issue is tone, format, or response style. The traces list keeps each case visible, the rule to satisfy, and whether private factual context exists. RAG OK and PEFT OK are intentionally small counters, so the comparison stays understandable on screen before moving to real evaluation. The visible output shows PEFT winning on behavior-oriented cases, which prevents using retrieval to fix style problems. When PEFT looks plausible, we want to sketch the adapter so cost and scope are visible before training anything. This snippet uses PEFT with LoraConfig to define a small LoRa adapter scope. Fine-tuning should not start as a black box job. CFG makes the task type, rank, dropout, and target modules visible before any training cost appears. The PEFT task type causal LM value tells the adapter what kind of language model task this setup targets, and target modules limits where LoRa layers are attached. Increasing R generally raises adapter capacity and training memory, while lowering it makes the adapter cheaper but less expressive. The visible output shows a simple trainable slots proxy, which helps review cost before running a job. Finally, we combine retrieval checks and adapter visibility into a simple decision gate that outputs a deployable plan. This code turns the comparison into a tiny shipping gate instead of a slide deck opinion. The checks dictionary keeps 3 production concerns visible: retrieval quality from scores, behavior need from better, and adapter scope from tuned slots. A hybrid plan only appears when the retrieved context looks useful. Behavior adaptation is actually needed, and the LoRa scope stays under the chosen cost threshold. If any check fails, plan falls back to ship RAG first, which is safer when private facts are the main gap. The visible output shows the selected baseline and how many checks passed, making the decision debuggable. In a real system, you would map docs to a vector store, use a proper retriever store, and calculate tuned slots from model parameter counts. The same gate logic scales. Evidence quality, behavior need, and adapter cost remain the 3 live signals worth checking before starting any expensive job. What this is: a clear decision gate that recommends RAG, PEFT, or both, and explains why. Choose RAG when private facts are missing and traceable. Choose PEFT when consistent format or tone must be learned across many responses. One caveat: misrouted fixes are expensive. Adapting model behavior to cover missing facts silently hides retrieval bugs. For a concrete next step, experiment with the LoRa rank R and watch answer faithfulness on the same private corpus while keeping tuned slots under your cost threshold. That single knob shows the trade-off between capacity and resource use most clearly. If short, practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.